I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to personalize your photos with Photographic Styles on your iPhone.
If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too.
So first step is to open up your camera app. Now we're going to have your photo mode right here. If you're not in photo mode, you can swipe on the bottom to get to it. And to open up the options, we're going to swipe up from the bottom. Just in the middle of the screen here, you can swipe not entirely up from the bottom here, but in the middle of the screen. We're not going to need to swipe all the way over, but right here in the middle, there is an icon with 3 squares. We're going to tap that. Now you can swipe through these different photographic style modes, which you have standard, you have rich contrast, which shows darker shadows, deeper contrast. Then you can go over to vibrant, which shows punchier colors. Next is warm, which gives you gold undertones. And lastly, cool, which gives you kind of bluish undertones. Pick the one you like. You can fine tune a style by adjusting the tone and warmth on these little icons right here. Tap tone, and then you can change the tone right here, and it gives you a little description of what you're changing. It'll go down once you're finished, then you can tap the other one, and then you don't need to do anything, it'll go away. When you're ready to take a photo, you can just click the snap button here on the bottom, and then go to the bottom left, and there you can see your picture.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.